Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very entertaining topic. Do you know? What does it mean by astrophysics? So, let's get started. Dear friends, astrophysics is a branch of space science that applies the laws of physics and chemistry to seek to understand the universe and our place in it. The field explores topics such as the birth, life and death of stars, planets, galaxies, nebulae and other objects in the universe. It has two sibling sciences, astronomy and cosmology, though the lines between these branches can blur. Astrophysics creates physical theories of small to medium-size objects and structures in the universe. Astronomy measures the positions, luminosities, motions and other characteristics of celestial objects. Cosmology covers the cosmos' largest structures and the universe as a whole. Do you know? What are the four types of astrophysics? Let's understand. Types of astrophysics. Number 1, radio astronomy. Number 2, optical astronomy. Number 3, infrared astronomy. Number 4, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma-ray astronomy using space telescopes. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.